going on, everybody? I just want to thank everybody for always stopping by my videos, leaving comments, giving me that thumbs up. It really is important, but that's not what this is about. This is about copper motors again. I have finally found the very fastest way that I've ever found to do these things, and it does involve a couple of my newer tools that I have, tools that I didn't have. So yeah, check this video out. Hope you enjoy it. Let's make some money with copper. Let's use a grinder on the motor. Now I use this. So much better. Look at that. Done. As he gets the motors out, I'm taking these and then we're going to start crowning them. While Billy's pulling them out of the squirrel cages, I'm getting them out of the steel. And then we're going to crown them today. Start cutting them out. Unless the weather... I feel like these should be better than a shred. This is the trick right here. That's the trick. Look at that, guys. Incredible. Works really nice. Look at all them crowns we got to take off.
There's another one.
Beautiful. It's going steady. Oh, steady. What a beautiful day. Can't beat it. Got my buddy Billy over here with me. We decided to get inside because the rain, it really rained hard. I think it's going to go away. We're going to get back outside. But while it was raining, I figured it's a pretty good time to come in here and knock some of this stuff apart. Go. I'm asking again, does anybody put these things into #1 steel? Seems like it would be. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Got a bunch of them now, Bill. We got these things down. I'm telling you. Got them down. Pat. Got these things figured out. The heck with a grinder. Spokes going everywhere. I hate the grinder part. So I learned a better way. That's clean. Probably 60 cents a pound, somewhere around that number. do have to say, probably the handiest tool that I've bought in a long time. Like I said, I got Billy in the dark, taking them apart. It's a little dark, huh, Billy? A little dark. It's stormy outside, really bad. And actually, the rain just went away. It's pouring out there. And I've been tearing apart motors. They've been cutting fans open, and I'm opening up the motors in every single one of them. And yeah, we're gonna pull the crowns out of them next. Oh, come on. There you go, baby. I've been throwing these in my shred. Clean jelly beans. Oh, it's one of the magnetic ones. Yep, funny motors. I've learned how to do them though. I've learned how to do them. Yep, nice clean jelly bean. Remember, I did make an update video on these. It says weird motor update. Rain's got us inside today. That thing is burnt. Got it, Bill? Need a light? Motor burnt, wolf. That thing's burnt bad. Look at that. That thing is toast. I think that might have been on fire. I didn't burn it. Something melting. Oh, Billy having a time with him cutting them motors out there. But he's getting them to me pretty daggone steady. I'll tell you that much. Steady. All right, now my gloves back on.